I'm Dan Kopperud, Senior Admissions Manager at SolBridge International School of Business. SolBridge is located in Daejeon, South Korea, less than an hour away from Seoul. SolBridge has the most diverse student body of any school in South Korea. We have students from over 50 countries, and all of our classes are taught in English. Our BBA curriculum is designed to prepare our graduates to excel as thought leaders in Asian business. Students specialize in traditional business areas such as marketing, finance, management, and entrepreneurship. To ensure our graduates have a competitive edge, they will also complete a language course in Korean or Chinese. We're excited to offer a new 12-month Master's in Marketing Analytics program for the spring 2019 semester. The curriculum is structured to provide a unique blend of strong conceptual foundations and practical skills. The curriculum allows a student to become a well-balanced marketing analyst equipped with analytical and communicational competencies. SolBridge also provides the opportunity to students to acquire some foreign language skills to prepare them for entry into a globalized and diverse world. The Master's in Marketing Analytics program is designed for recent graduates with an interest in marketing. SolBridge has streamlined its traditional 2-year MBA program to a new 12-month degree. The emphasis is on both soft and analytical skills needed for a successful managerial career. I'm excited to announce our new online application system. It's more convenient and easier to use than ever before, and is free to apply. Successful applicants to SolBridge will be awarded an admissions scholarship, which they can maintain or increase depending on their academic performance at SolBridge. In addition to the admissions scholarship, Masters in Marketing Analytics and MBA students will be awarded the Future Leader Scholarship, which they can maintain for the full 12 months of study. SolBridge now has a rolling admissions period, so you can apply year-round. To start your application, follow the link in the description below.